What is going on, Shib Army? It's your man Believes coming at you live from Shib Studios on a pre-recorded line. Like, comment. Let's get this thing trending real quick. But we've got some big news happening today. I'm going to show you some chart action. I'm going to show you some news that's going to be groundbreaking. That's going to tell you right now that Bone is about to take off. And along with it, obviously, Shib. How far can it go? Well, I don't know the answer to that right now. I don't really have a target at this point, but I do have a target for Bone. And I'm going to tell you that it rhymes with Rive Rollers, that I think that Bone is going to start rushing to, and it's gonna be very quickly. And I'm gonna show you why right now. First of all, the price action, we're at 11.14 overall. There's been about a 6% move since yesterday when it bounced off the 200 SMA. Now it is finding the 50 SMA as resistance on the daily chart. This is a 1-day chart. Now, and remember that, but just a couple of days ago, we were out here flirting with these. And remember, the last video I gave you, I told you we were going to be messing around with this line right here, but that we were headed up to 1200 and possibly even breaking through into that 1250. Well, I still think that that's the case. We are about to break through that 50 SMA. And then once that happens, then we're off to the races. And how high can we go? Well, there's going to be obviously a lot of resistance at each one of these levels that I talked to you about. You see over here how much resistance there was right here. And then you see how much resistance there is over here. So it's going to be significant, but with a little bit of good news, we are going to be on the way. Now, I want to talk about Bone because Bone is the one that I think is about to have just an absolute rip. Look how far it's trading under this 200 SMA. Now, in order to get there, that's about $1.15, just so it can test the SMA and bounce off of it. Now, if it rejects, and I do expect it's going to make a quick run back into the SMA, and this is the 200, by the way, and then it'll use it as support, and then it'll have a big bounce. Now, that big bounce takes it up to this line right here, which, as you can see, it's kind of curving down just a little bit right there, but it'll smooth out. And what you're looking at is this kind of pattern right here. It's not exactly perfect, but close enough. But it means we're probably going to about $1.30 where we're going to have a bounce. And then that bounce should take us up to around this level right here at $1.43. Then we're looking at another level up here in the $1.55. And then I got a whole bunch of stuff up here because it was trading a while back, but that stuff's going to kind of wash itself out. Every $5, every 5 cents, there's going to be a little bit of resistance until we get over $2. Once we get over $2, there's no resistance. The only thing left is human emotion. And I do think that it's coming. And the reason that I do is there's 3 things happening right now to take SHIB to a penny, right? Mass adoption, Shiba Inu burns, and Shibarium. And Shibarium is what Bone runs on. So I think that the run is coming on Bone first. Now, let's move on to this one. Shibarium hits a jaw-dropping milestone as Shib wallet count jumps 10x on testnet in the last 24 hours. That means there are a lot of people that want to be part of what's going on with Shibarium. Meme tokens, this thing is about to take over the meme token space. Remember that. Here's what we're not considering right now. Shibarium, every transaction that goes on in Shibarium is going to burn Shib. And when you really kind of break this down, what if Shib takes over as the blockchain for meme tokens? If that happens, Chomp being the first one, but if that happens, things are going to get absolutely bonkers crazy. Imagine the trading volume that's going on right now in these ecosystems with just meme tokens. Now, Shibarium is also 10x on the wallet count, just ridiculously high. That should tell you everything that you need to know about what is about to happen to the Bone price. But then Shibarium strikes again and teams up with Now Payments to expand the adoption and utility of the Shiba Inu meme token. Thanks to the integration of Shibarium into the platform, consumers will be able to experience user-friendly ways of paying with their favorite token Shib. Initially, the meme coin was added to Now Payments last year in May. So now, not only is it upgrading, but the Shibarium ecosystem is going to be adopted by Now Payments. This is incredible. This is gigantic news. Now, let's take it a step further. Crypto.com Institutional is now doing trading with Bone, and they're having a competition where you can win money for trading Bone, Gas, and IOST. Not really concerned about these other ones. Let's just cross them off the list. What matters right here is Bone. We need a Bone winner of $1,000 on this. And as you can see over here, Crypto.com is now the number 7 overall trading partner on Bone. This is the wallet addresses. MEXC still maintains number 2, but Crypto.com, if there continues to be an outflow to Crypto.com, to MEXC, as we get more exchanges and more listings, then guess what? This just spreads the supply out even more and creates a run on the price. And then finally, if you come over here and you really kind of look here, it doesn't take much. It doesn't take a lot. $245 million market cap right now. A $1 billion market cap. A $1 billion market cap means that Bone is going to be trading over $4. And that could happen just like that, guys. Remember something important. April 17 was the day. That was the day that Shib went absolutely crazy. And I want to look at you. April 17 was the day that Shib went absolutely crazy. So what do these guys have as a plan to celebrate April 17 of 2021? What do they have planned to celebrate the weekend of May the 5th through May the 8th of 2021, when Shib first went to 500 million on April 17, and then on May the 5th through May the 8th added 100,000 new holders and hit the all-time high? What do they have planned? What's going on behind the scenes? What's going to happen? And is it going to be an incredible play out? Well, I'm fascinated to find out the answer to that. Just so you guys know, and just so that we're clear about what my expectation is, I want you guys to see it. I'm just going to show it to you because I feel like I'm being offensive now when I say I just want to show it to you. But this right here, this is how much bone I have right now. 19,441 tokens. So I'm all in, guys. I don't know about you, but it's not financial advice. My name is Bleeves. I am always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will talk to you again very, very.
Whoa, another shot of the bullet. Loaded, got complex, cocking and pulling. That bottleneck look like the Loch Ness. What are we doing? I'm about to fall out, boy, in the proofs and the pudding. So, can we forget about the things I said when I was strong? I ain't mean to call you that. I'm ice cold like the keg the bartender tap. On another level like I'm fucking